Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Hose Pressure Washer is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have for your home, capable of tackling everything from cleaning your car and driveway to tackling stubborn dirt and grime on your patio or deck, and even reaching those hard-to-reach areas. But with so many different attachments and models available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we're here to help you find the perfect pressure washer attachment for your garden hose, making your outdoor cleaning chores easier and more efficient than ever before. Number 5. Viking Hose Nozzle. This versatile nozzle is perfect for all your watering and cleaning needs. It's heavy-duty and built to last, making it a great addition to any home. Easily adjust the spray from a gentle mist to a powerful jet. It's ideal for watering delicate plants or blasting away stubborn dirt. Use it to effortlessly clean your car, rinsing away soap and grime with ease. Its high-pressure spray will leave your car sparkling. Gently shower your pets or water your plants with precision. The comfortable grip makes it easy to control the water flow. It's made with high-quality materials and features a comfortable rubberized handle. It's designed to withstand daily use and provide years of reliable service. Simply attach it to your standard garden hose and start spraying. It's that simple. What we like. It's built to last and can handle various tasks. If you need a reliable, adaptable tool for all your outdoor cleaning needs, from cars to pets, this is the one for you. Its adjustable spray pattern makes it perfect for any cleaning job, big or small. What people say. It works quite well and has a variety of settings you can define through the front of the spigot. It is sturdy. The simplicity, the build quality and functionality of this water nozzle exceeded my expectations. Overall solid build with sturdy plastic and spray dial easy to change. No leaks through hose connector or nozzle. Number 4. Foam King Car Wash Foam Gun. It's a new way to wash your car at home, saving you time and money compared to commercial car washes. This foam sprayer gives you a scratch-free clean every time. It easily attaches to any standard garden hose. Turn your hose into a foaming, low-pressure washer for instant, thick suds, no extra equipment needed. It gently removes dirt without scratching your paint. It even easily cleans hard-to-reach areas like wheel wells and roof racks. It mixes water and soap to create thick foam. You can choose from 6 foam settings plus a rinse spray for the perfect clean, no matter how dirty your vehicle is. It's great for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. Just adjust the foam settings to suit your needs. We're passionate about providing the best car cleaning products. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This creates a luxurious, protective foam for your car. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to clean your vehicle without scratching the paint, this foam cannon is your best bet. The adjustable foam settings let you customize the cleaning power to match your car's level of dirtiness. What people say. It worked perfectly. Very pleased with item I purchased on sale. I highly recommend this item. Read the instructions. Make sure when connecting the hose that the gasket is in place to prevent leakage when you thread the hose into the foamer. Mine was absolutely leak-free. This foam gun kit works well and makes washing my car much easier. It's easy to connect and fun to use. This is fantastic. No longer do I need to haul out the pressure washer. Quick connect to the hose, nice foam and I was done. Love it. Number 3. SwiftJet Foam Gun Kit. Get ready for a car wash experience like no other. This foam gun makes cleaning your car a breeze, protecting your paint from scratches. Professional detailers know that foam is key to a scratch-free wash. It gently lifts dirt and grime, leaving your car sparkling. Turn car wash day into a fun family activity. It's easy to use and connects to your garden hose, no extra equipment needed. Customize your foam level with the 6-level adjuster. More foam for extra dirty cars, less for a quick clean. This foam gun helps prevent scratches by gently cleaning your car's surface. It's the perfect way to keep your car looking its best. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It makes car washing a breeze and a fun activity for the whole family. If you want to make car washing quick, easy, and enjoyable, this foam gun is the perfect choice. It's simple to use and delivers excellent cleaning results without any hassle. What people say. Cut the wash time significantly, but more importantly was less of a pain than the 2-bucket method and a hell of a lot cheaper than the car wash places. Build quality is excellent and I have had 0 leaks or issues after using it a few dozen times. The foam coverage is exceptional. It produces thick, rich foam that clings effectively to the car's surface, making dirt removal a breeze. The build quality is remarkable. The foam gun features a sturdy brass connector and durable plastic components that feel built to last. The SwiftJet car foam sprayer is nice and compact, no need for rolling around a large pressure washer anymore. The attachments lock in place easily, helping to cut down on wash time. Number 2. USTOPE Garden Hose Nozzle. This nozzle is perfect for all your watering and cleaning needs. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance. It features a 9.8-inch extended rod, providing higher water pressure than traditional nozzles for more efficient cleaning. Made from high-quality zinc alloy, it's built to last. It's rust-resistant and leak-proof for reliable use. Easily adjust the spray pattern from a soft, wide spray to a powerful, focused stream. It adapts to any task. The convenient clip on the handle lets you lock the trigger for continuous spraying, saving you effort. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This offers powerful cleaning with a long-lasting design. If you need a high-pressure nozzle for tough cleaning jobs and prefer a sturdy, rust-resistant option, this is the ideal choice. The adjustable spray pattern allows for precise cleaning control. What people say. It is a heavy metal and connects to the garden hose perfectly. The design is great because the nozzle head can be used as a pressure washer all the way to a sprinkle with the ease of turning the nozzle head. No changing heads necessary. This nozzle increases the velocity and sprays much further than a conventional hose nozzle. It makes rinsing underneath my trailer 100% better. The handle feels good in my hand and the trigger works great. Great craftsmanship and made from aluminum. The extension on the handle is great and the tip is adjustable. Number 1. Twinkle Star Hose Filter. This innovative filter attachment ensures clean water for all your outdoor needs. It's easy to install and protects your equipment from damage. It features both 100 mesh and 40 mesh screens, providing superior filtration. This dual-layer system removes even the smallest particles. This filter is perfect for protecting your pressure washer and other valuable equipment. It prevents damage from impurities and keeps your water clean. Simply connect it to your water source and hose. It's that easy to protect your equipment and enjoy cleaner water. Ideal for RVs, camping, car washing, and more. It's a must-have for anyone who wants clean water for their outdoor activities. Remember to disconnect it after each use and never leave it unattended under pressure. Always follow safety guidelines. What we like. It safeguards your pressure washer from damage and keeps your water clean. If you want to extend the life of your pressure washer and ensure clean water, this filter is a must-have. It's easy to install and provides double protection against impurities. What people say. Works great. It works very well. I sometimes get small particles caught in the filter, but most water is pretty clean and it doesn't catch anything. The clear sediment bowl makes it easy to see if sediment is accumulating. When disconnected, it is easy to drain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.